Women considered inferior than men in Islam. Common misconceptions is that women are not given the equal rights in Islam just because men are commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be the caretaker, the guardians, or the leader of the house. In actuality, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a very specific role to both genders. They complement each other. It's like tree complement a river, that women are given at a different level of status and a different level of importance in Islam, and men are given a different level of leadership in Islam. Common misconception also is that women are not to be scholars and teachers and mentors in Islam. Mother of Muslimin, Ummul Mumineen, Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala, she stayed teaching Islam to men and women equally because she had that wealth of knowledge and the authority over Islam. So her being a woman did not contain her. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala orders every human being to give the highest status of human excellence and service to his mother. The status of women was decided, provided, and guarded 1400 plus years ago.